Today we are going to discuss the third topic of our syllabus, Science 1, 10th standard, chemical reaction and equations. Now chemical reaction and equation, this topic is totally concerned with the types of chemical reaction and how to read the chemical equation and how to balance the chemical equation. Before going to that subtopics, chemical reactions, types of chemical reaction, we have to understand what is the chemical reaction. Now the definition of chemical reaction is given here. Chemical reaction is defined as if any type of chemical change occurs, it is called as a chemical reaction. Now any type of chemical reaction, it will happen and it shows the chemical change, it is called as a chemical reaction. Now another definition we have to study is what chemical equation. Now chemical reaction can be written in the form of symbol which is used in chemistry to represent the particular chemical or elements. Now chemical equation is defined as the representation of chemical reaction in condensed form using chemical formulas is called as a chemical equation. For example, we can write the equation HCl plus NaOH and AOH, it gives NaCl plus H2O. Now I have written this equation, the information which is condensed in chemical equation, chemical formula, that is called chemical equation. It is written in the one line. Now this chemical equation can be written in this form by using the chemical formula instead of writing the names. Now this HCl is having name hydrochloric acid. NaOH is what? Alkali. It is the base, that is sodium hydroxide. Now when this acid and base mix with each other, they give salt plus water. Then NaOH, NaCl means what? Sodium chloride. And this is water. Now this is one of the type of reaction we have taken as an example. This is also called as a neutralization reaction. But just now in starting of the topic, just we have to understand, instead of writing full names of the chemical compounds, we are writing only chemical symbols or chemical formulas instead of writing this whole word. Now hydrochloric acid, this contains so many alphabets: sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride and water. This sentence contains these typical chemical formulas can be written in the shortcut HCl. HCl means what? Hydrochloric acid. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. NaOH represents sodium hydroxide. That's why we have taken the formula instead of writing full name. Sodium chloride, NaCl, and water H2O. Now students, keep in your mind, you have to learn these two definitions. Instead of writing the full name of the compound, we have to write the chemical equation in the form of chemical formulas which are denoted by IUPAC. We are going to discuss new sub point from this topic, the writing chemical equation. Now how to understand how to write the chemical equation? First of all, we have to understand, I will write just one reaction, that is now we are taking this reaction, it will give FeSO4 plus Zn. Now I have written this type of reaction. Now this reaction, we have to understand which things are included in reaction and how to write the chemical reaction. First of all, understand the middle arrow makes two parts of this equation, that is left hand side LHS and right hand side RHS. Now keep in your mind, arrow is in middle. Now if we consider this is the head of arrow, always head of arrow is towards the product. After mixing some reactants, we get the product after any chemical change or chemical reaction. We can get any type of product. That product should be written to the right side of the arrow of the chemical equation. Now, if this is the head of arrow, this will called as a tail of arrow. Head, and this is called tail. Now for understanding I have written here. Now this toward the tail, these two things are called as a reactants. Reactants. Now always keep in your mind while writing the chemical equation, the arrow is in middle and head of arrow is toward the product and tail of arrow is towards the reactant. Like this we can understand how we can write the chemical equation. Now after this point we will discuss how to balance the chemical equation.